Namaskar. Today I'm going to discuss about the tong. So what is tong? It is a one type of wrench which is used to make the connections of drill pipe or maybe drill pipe to heavy drill pipe or maybe heavy drill pipe to drill collar. So what is the purpose of tong which is used to make connection or maybe a disconnection? So as of now you see here this part and this part. So this is the handle you see here. So on this also handle. So you are using this one to open this like this. You will open this jars and you will make the connection. Suppose the pipe is like this. So in this tool joint area you will arrange this tong. Okay. So there are two types of tongs available. So but now we are discussing the only one tong which is makeup tong. Okay, so now you are saying this is what the makeup tong. So here you see that is the place we are putting the slings for the easy torque line, that is torque line as well as safety line. So this is what the tong. So already show you what are the how the jacks are opening. So this is the where you are placing the torque lines. And here you see these are the handles. They are then the provision to hold the tongue to push in a linear motion, that is it is like a going towards to the well bore and towards to the backside motion only, because whenever we need making connection we will push this one towards this line. So mainly in these tongues we are having three lines. One is torque line, one is torque line. So with this torque line we are giving a torque to the connection, and the second one is safety line. So if in case the tongue is failed, maybe jaws break down and connection having some problem, because of that it is breaks, so it will hit like anywhere. So to avoid that one we are using a safety line, that is second one. And the third one is like a hang off line. So what is hang off line means? It will hang, which is having some of the counterweights. They will use it to hang off this tongue. Okay, this is what the different types of lines they are connected to the makeup tongue. Not only the makeup tongue but also breakup tongue also. But the major difference is the makeup tongue and the breakup tongue is offside driller side it is placed. Okay, sorry. So makeup tongue is it is in the driller side, and the breakup tongue is off driller side, that is ODS, opposite side of the driller, which is in breakup tongue, and the near to the driller is a makeup tongue. So this is the information about the tongues. And also I showed that the where they are providing slings also. And another a very important one is a load cell. Another very important one is load cell. So this is usually placed in the makeup tongue only. So why? Because they are using in the makeup tongue means to know the how much of the torque you are giving for the drill pipes. For suppose for 5-inch drill pipe you are giving 24,000 lb feet. So it is depends upon the grade of the drill pipe. If you are using a G grade it is different, and if you are using S grade it is different. So different types of drill pipes you are having with respect to the torque ranges. So finally I want to again information about the tongue. Here this is the one of the handle and this is the another handle. Whenever the person who is making the breakup time, he will push the tongue in this direction, and here one person will be stands and hold this handle, and here also there is another handle. So he will use these handles to move the tongue in this direction as well as the back direction. So once the work is finished, here there is a small wire is there which is used to tie here for the better positioning. So whenever it is required, then he will remove this wire and they are moving this tongue towards to the well bore. Okay, And here very important thing is pin. This is the pin where we are placing for adjustment. So mostly for drill pipes it is in one position like this. There are 3 holes are available in that pin in this jaw. So we will place with respect to this whatever the joint you are using. For drill pipe you are using the starting one, and the next one different types, like for 5-inch you are using one thing, and for 8.5 you are using another like drill collar, and for 9-inch you are using another one, that is 9 3/4, like that. So this is very important. The position of the pin will vary whenever the BHA is pulling out as well as in the running in. So this is the information about the makeup tongue. The breakup tongue is also same. It is the information about the breakup tongue. The makeup tongue is also same. Okay, thank you.